Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add multiple photos on Facebook Reels in one Reels. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Facebook Reels are a relatively new feature that has soared in popularity, becoming the mainstream way to consume entertainment and media. Facebook Reels are one of the best way to grow your business and connect with your audience online. In this video, I will show you how to add multiple photos in one Reels on your Facebook. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now you can go to your profile but tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can tap on your profile. Now you can just scroll down. You can tap on the Reels section on here. You can tap on create Reels. So here's you can choose multiple photos that you want to add to your Reels. For that, I will choose from my gallery. Here's, as you can see on the top of here, there is an option select multiple. Before you choose the photos, you can just tap on here on the select multiple, and then you can choose on the photo that you want to add to your Reels, the multiple photo that you want to add to your Reels. Sorry. You can tap on select multiple. Now you can just choose for the photo that you want to share. I will choose this three photo. Now you can tap on next. You can choose on the song. You can add effect, caption, or change the audio. Now you can just tap on next. Now you can just describe this reel by add caption on here. You can also add hashtag and also mention. After that, you can just share your reels. So simple, right? So that is how to add multiple photos in one reels on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.